What is up, y'all? I am back with another video, and today I wanted to do an updated skincare routine. I haven't done one for a year now, and everything has changed since the pandemic, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not monetized, so I can actually say it. So I wanted to do an updated one because my skincare routine has changed so much since last year, and as you can see, my acne has pretty much cleared up, and I'm not doing a lot of cleaning on my face as much as I used to because I'm not wearing a full face of makeup anymore. I am just doing my brows. I just contour my forehead, do some basic eyeshadow, just switch bronzer, and then I do mascara, and then I have a mask covering my whole face for 12 hours a day. So everything has changed. So I wanted to do an updated video for you guys. I also wanted to give myself a challenge and give you guys a challenge as well to get me back into the swing of things. I haven't been in the swing of things since I got back to work, since the pandemic has happened and everything since then. So what I want to do is see if I can get 500 likes on this channel, and then I will show you guys my normal skincare routine that is kind of like when I have to break down my makeup and everything like that. But without further ado, if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like this video to get to 500 likes so we can get another video out faster. Just give myself an incentive that if I get to 500 likes, I know that you guys want it, and if you guys end up doing that, I know I have people that want to watch me and everything. It just kind of, you know, it makes me feel good knowing that I have people watching. Other than that, if you guys want to, you can follow me on social media. They're all linked down below. Those are kind of where I stay more active. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
Tear yourself apart to entertain like me. Do the people whisper about you on the train like me, saying that you shouldn't waste your pretty face like me. You can't wake up, this is not a dream. You're part of a machine, you are not a human being. You should be sorted up, living on a screen. Lower self-esteem, so you run on gasoline.
Okay, so first what I like to do is just put my headband in. I got this in LA when I was there a couple of years ago at a market. I like to wear it either just doing my hair or doing my skincare routine, or if I am just needing it for whatever reason, I have it. It's nice, it's cute. So one thing, if you guys have been on my channel for a minute, you know one thing I've been using is my Duval skincare system. This is just a spin brush. It has 4 different heads. The one I have on here is the exfoliating one. Then they have a cleanse one. They have a pomade for your feet or anything that you needed to really just exfoliate that is more on her hard surface. They also have a back brush for you to be able to use your body, so you know you have a bunch of different options for your system. So like I said, I already have the exfoliating face one on. First, what I like to use is my King J Cosmetics cleanser. This is a small brand. They also donate part of their proceeds to different causes, and so they usually have it linked somewhere in their social media, or they have it on their website of what cause they are going towards. I also use their moisturizer. They are coming out with more products very soon. I do have all their stuff linked down below as well if you want to support a small business. Next, what I like to use is my Pixi Milky Cleanser. The label has rubbed off. It's about out. I think I used this in the last one at least, or I showed it. I used this or the retinol one. So it's about out. So as you can see, I use it all the time. This is also about out. Need to restock, so I just use that. Last but not least, I do use the African black soap. So it's just on this. It used to hang up on my shower, but it didn't stick, so it's just now in this. And I love to use this if my face really needs a deep clean. Today I don't need it, so I'm not going to use it, but if you ever do need a deep clean, this really helps. If I just feel like, you know, my face was just extra dirty and I do this, it helps pretty well. Alright, so now I'm going to put on a video, and I am going to just wash my face, and you guys can see all the steps in between, and then we'll move on to the moisturizing process of my skincare routine. So yeah, let's just get right into it.
Running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. You've been going round, going round, going round every party in LA. Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is common, perfume it grand. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Ooh, and now I'm all up on you. What you
Okay, so I have my face pretty much all cleaned up. As you see, it's not a big fiasco just because I don't need to do anything. I'm not breaking down makeup. I'm just doing a gentle skincare routine today, something that I normally don't do. I usually do a really in-depth skincare routine, but I don't need to do that to my face. But the next part is putting the after step on my face after I cleaned it. So the first thing what I do is I add this hibiscus rose hip serum. It's just something like this. It's really nice to have. It's by Terra Marie or Marie. I don't know what it is. It's Terre, then MER with a little thing on the top, E. So whatever that is. So I just put a little bit on my fingers and then don't do a lot at all. This is fresh out of my skincare fridge, which is in my beauty room, so I just have it in here. What I like to do is just roll it really nice. I go down my cheekbones. I love doing this in the morning as well, but to show you guys today, this is kind of my only breakouts, as you see, but it feels so nice and cooling. And the little guy on my bottom. Perfect. Next, I like to use my Pop Beauty Lit AF incense. This is a skin perfecting incense, so it's just like this. I do like to shake it up a little bit, put a little on my hand, like so. This is what I've done on both. Do the same. This just really helps repair my skin back. Next is the King J Cosmetics moisturizer. They are actually coming out with fragrance-free line as well, which I'm really excited for. Just do a little bit dab and the same thing. What I love about this moisturizer is it's so light but like so thick at the same time. It's perfect for me who has oily combination acne prone skin. Does not break me out at all, which is really nice. So I really love that. Alright, and then last what I do, that is Luna at the door. I just get a spoolie, I wet it, and just spoolie my eyebrows. I like to get them where I need to be. And yeah, that is pretty much my new updated skincare routine. It's my basic new routine. So if you guys liked it, let me know below. If you actually use any of these products, let me know below. Anything like that. And yeah, don't forget to check out the links for the Duval skincare routine. I do have a new code for you guys, just all down below. It's also listed right here on the screen for you. And yeah, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the lost rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?